Sniper's power distribution module is a cost-effective option that allows you to isolate your EFI and ignition wiring into one easy-to-use solution. It provides conditioned power, ground, and switched connections for all the components within your EFI install. It can also distribute power to your EFI fuel pump and a cooling fan. And if your setup requires 2 fans to keep it cool, or you have an auxiliary fan on your oil cooler or trans cooler, a second fan can be controlled by a ground trigger by adding an additional relay and using the output harness within the Sniper 2. 2 additional switched outputs can be used to power low current accessories like additional gauges or to trigger additional add-on relays. It's easy to connect. Simply run battery positive and negative along with a switch 12-volt source from your vehicle to power up the PDM. Use the wiring diagram located under the removable lid to connect your EFI system to the dedicated circuits by stripping the wire ends and sliding them under the positive lock connectors, then tightening the set screw down. Add additional accessories or triggers to the remaining available circuits and you're set. No more tagging onto existing circuits or having to tap into the fuse panel to add components. Convenient onboard LEDs show the current status and indicate which channels are being triggered, all at a glance. Haven't purchased your Sniper 2 system yet? Now you can order a kit with the PDM and save. Clean up that engine bay and simplify your next EFI install with the power distribution module from Sniper. To get your hands on a PDM or to learn more about any of our EFI systems, visit us at holley.com.